Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi guys, my name is Alfred Kitsi, professionally known as Bam Bam. I'm a visual artist from Uppington. Found my company in 2015. What actually made me start this business, it's because I've been doing art all my life, and I had to, come up with solutions by also, helping people with problems like anxiety and depression through creating therapeutic works like you guys can see. Like this one is titled Bipolar and this is Flexible. So most of my work speaks to, people that are having problems in their life, and it's also a way of healing. Okay, so the services that I deliver, it's I create paintings. I also do murals on walls. And my paintings comes in a variety of different mediums, like charcoal. As you guys can see, there's a charcoal one. This is acrylic and this is oil. So this is the type of services that I provide and produce for clients all over the world in South Africa. Someone can access my product through shipping and also personal delivery all over South Africa, and globally it's obviously shipping. So yeah. What makes my products very powerful, I think it's because I'm the only artist that's a serial artist in South Africa, and one of the youngest serial artists in South Africa. And also the techniques that I use in my art, it's not really relevant techniques that you can find like in art school. So most of the stuff that I do is self-taught. I've never been to art school, and it's just what I do, and this is my passion. You can get in contact with us through my WhatsApp number, which is 067 737 1726, and also via email alfredhoroarts. You don't leave any spaces. It's all in one at gmail.com. And on my Instagram, it's just Bam Bam with 4 capital letter I's, and same on my Facebook, it's Bam Bam with 4 capital letter I. So that's how you can get in contact with me. Hi, my name is Alfred Kitsi, and I'm a township entrepreneur.